HRD Attestation is a crucial initial step in authenticating educational documents for international use. This process validates the authenticity and recognition of degrees, diplomas, and certificates. HRD Attestation confirms the validity of educational documents for employment, education, or visa applications abroad. Foreign embassies often require document verification from the applicant's home government. The verification process typically involves HRD attestation, MEA attestation, embassy attestation, and possibly MOFA attestation. HRD attestation is a foundational step. Its absence may lead to application rejection, affecting international career or educational prospects. Quick Attestation Services provides comprehensive support for HRD attestation with Pan-India service coverage. The service ensures a fast, reliable, and genuine attestation process with regular updates and transparent pricing. An experienced team manages the entire attestation procedure, reducing potential delays and confusion.